Going on YouTube? Welcome back. I got another one for you. I got another electronics repair video. This time it's an arcade game, one of my collections. The name of this game is Big Shot. It was kind of popular game in the arcade, but you may know it, you may not. Well, let's get on with the video. The problem with this is when you put tokens in, nothing happens. Okay, there's a token here. There's nothing. No tickets, no nothing. Okay, let's open this bad boy up and see what's going on with it. Let's get my meter here. Okay, turn it to DC volts. You should be getting, some games is 5 volts. Others you may get 12, the older style games. And you got normally closed, normally open switch. Let's see what you got on these terminals. Okay, my meter is reading. Let's get right here where we can read it a little bit better. As you can see, it's 0. And you're supposed to be getting something there in order for there to be any kind of action going on there. Let's lock that back up. Turn this off. Of course, I got the Flute 112 series. Best meter in the world. Alright, as you can see, we got a mess here. Bunch of tickets. You have to excuse the mess. I'll straighten that out later on. Now here is where the wires runs up to here. And it runs right here. Let's get the meter back out. Let me see if I got some on this end. Could be just a loose connection. Okay, you got 4.9, which is close enough to 5 volts. Okay, let's plug this back up. Sometimes you can have bad connection in these. Plug that back in there. Close that back up. Put this meter back on it. Okay. See what you got this time. Okay. I got almost 5 volts. So you had a bad connection down on this connector right here. That's what the problem was. But the ultimate test, let's see, can we get this bad boy to spit out some tickets? I'm ready to win something. Alright, let's see what we got here, y'all. Okay, we got a little bit of something here. Three tickets. Let's try that one more time. Whoop. One ticket. All right, y'all. That should fix the problem. Got one more in the bag. Stay tuned for another video, arcade repair video. I thank y'all for visiting my channel. Thank you.